Welcome to Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support for when the divorce process has finished. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics related to post-divorce. Together, we'll explore the emotional, financial, and legal aspects of life after divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hi, and welcome back to Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. And today's topic is life insurance. Really, it's a complex issue that often gets muddled after divorce. So we're going to untangle it and see how it might play a role in your next chapter. So when we look at life insurance after divorce, really, it can be a financial safety net providing a payout to beneficiaries upon policyholders' death. But after a divorce, things get complicated. So we got some things we got to consider. And we're going to want to review those existing policies. So we're going to take stock of the existing policies and, we're going to look at when they were purchased, whether they were purchased during the marriage, and might be considered marital property depending on your state laws, or if you pick this up after your divorce. So life insurance can have cash value. It's possible if you have the right life insurance policy. So if it has the cash value, and that's where money builds up over time, this value could be subject to division in the divorce settlement. And then you got the beneficiary. So most importantly, you want to see who that beneficiary is listed as. If it's your ex-spouse, you'll need to update it to reflect your new reality. You generally cannot keep your ex-spouse as a beneficiary unless your divorce agreement specifies this, and that is common. Do you still need coverage on your ex? Well, there are situations where you still need life insurance coverage on your ex-spouse, and that could come into play when we look at things like spousal maintenance or child support. So if you're receiving spousal maintenance or child support, a court order, might order your ex to maintain a life insurance policy with you as the beneficiary. And this ensures continued financial support for you and your children in case of their untimely death. You got shared debts as well. So if you have outstanding joint debts, life insurance on your ex can help cover their portion should they pass away prematurely. Now let's talk about your own life insurance needs after divorce. And here's why it might be important. So you got financial security for your dependents. So if you have children, life insurance ensures that they'll be financially supported if you die unexpectedly. And then there's the debt protection. So life insurance can also pay off any outstanding debts, preventing a financial burden on your loved ones. And then you got the peace of mind, knowing that your loved ones are protected, can have, and provide invaluable peace of mind. You're going to want to tailor your coverage, though. When considering your own policy, think about the factors like your income, dependents, and existing debts. Speak to a financial advisor to determine the appropriate coverage amounts and policy types, and pick their brains on what's the best way to take a look at everything. So, life insurance after divorce requires careful consideration. You want to review those existing policies, update beneficiaries as needed, and determine if you need your own coverage for financial security. Remember, it's about protecting your loved ones and your future well-being, because after you pass, it's not you who will be getting the money. It's for those you left behind. I want to thank you for joining me on this episode of Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce. Should you have any questions on today's topic or other financial planning issues, feel free to leave me a comment or contact me. Divorce is not the end of your story. As we know, it is the start of your next great chapter. All the best.